Hello, I'm in a 2012 Dodge Ram 1500, and today I'm going to show you how to use your windshield wipers. So while the vehicle's turned on, this stick here is what controls it. So we'll twist this to change the speed you want it to wipe at. So as you turn this up, you'll see that these are moving. And then the higher you've got it this way, it's at max speed right now. And then as you twist this back, it'll go slower. So I've been twisting it back, and then now it's all the way off. And then if you want it to spray the liquid, that'll kind of help you keep it clean. You see these two little black dots? Those are the sprayer nozzles where it'll spray your fluid out. But you'll just press this. So as you press that, you'll see it sprays. And that's it. I hope this is helpful. I hope you have a wonderful day.